Hi friends, this is our math lesson for today. Hopefully you can see everything good. I'm kind of in an awkward spot. I wanted to use my big dry erase board so that way it would be big enough for you guys to see. So we'll see how this is going to work. But I am going to do a math lesson for you guys today. And I have some balls here. I have some basketballs and I have some tennis balls. And I'm going to share my basketballs and tennis balls with you. And I want you guys to help me do a little bit of addition and subtraction. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So I can slide. There we go. All right, so this says Mrs. Robbins and this side says you. And I have, count with me and tell me how many basketballs and tennis balls I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. So I have 10 basketballs and tennis balls all together. 10 balls. I want to give you 1 basketball, 2 basketballs, and 1 tennis ball. So I'm going to give you 2 basketballs and 1 tennis ball. So I gave you how many? 1, 2, 3. And how many does that leave Miss Robbins with? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I started with 10 and I gave you 3. 10 take away 3 equals 7. I have 7 left. So you're going to start with 3 and I'm going to give you some more now. All right, so now I've got 7 basketballs and tennis balls left because I gave you 3. All right. So remember, we have 7 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you have 2, 3. Good. How many more do you want? You have 3. How many more do you want? 2 more? Okay. Do you want tennis balls or basketballs or both? All right, we'll do both. So we'll give you 2 more. 1, 2. So now how many do you have? 1, 2, 3. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I gave you 2 more. So 3 plus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 5 sports balls, 3 basketballs, and 2 tennis balls. And how many do I have left? I had 7, and I gave 2 away to you. So how many does that leave me with? 7 minus 2. I gave 2 away, took 2 away. So let's count how many I have left. 1 tennis ball, basketball, tennis ball, basketball, tennis ball. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7. Take away 2 is 5. I took 2 of my balls away, gave them to you. You have 5. What? And I have 5. Oh my goodness. We both have 5. How cool. So would you like to share some balls with me? Would you like to give me some of your sports balls? How about that, guys? Would you like to share some sports balls with Miss Robbins? All right, so I'm going to be nice. I'm not going to take all of your sports balls. I'll take 2 basketballs, please. So 1, 2. So let's erase this because you started with 5 and you gave me 2. So how many sports balls do you have left? 1, 2. That's right, 3. And I started with 5. Oops. And you gave me 2. So I'm gonna do this. 5 5 plus 2, because I started with 5 and I gained 2 more. So let's count how many I have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. You guys are doing a good job. Let's do 2 more. All right, so would you like to give me some more? Can I have some more of your sports balls, or would you like me to share with you? You want me to share with you? All right. I'm going to give you 1, 2. Let's go ahead and put my 7 down here because that's how many I started with. And I'm taking away, so I took 2 away already. I'm going to give you 3. You started with 3. I'm going to give you 4, 5. So I gave you 5 of my sports balls. How many do I have left? This is so super easy. Looking at it, what do you see? Exactly 2 sports balls, 1 basketball, 1 tennis ball. And you started with 3 sports balls, and I gave you 5. I forgot to write that down, but I gave you 5. And if you ever forget, the number's right here, because I had wrote mine down. There's the 5 that I gave you. So I gave you 5. So let's count. You had 3. And we're going to put the plus sign because I gave you some and I gave you 5. So we'll count yours all together. You guys have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. 8 sports balls. You took 5 of mine and I had 7 and I gave you 5, which left me 2. So I'm going to be a generous teacher and I'm going to give you all of my balls, the rest of my balls. So I start with 2 and I'm giving away 2. 1, 2. How many does that leave me? Yes, 0. I don't have any left. And then you guys started with 8 because I gave you some and now you have 8 and I gave you 2. Because remember, I had 2 that I took away. So 8 plus 2 is, let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Woohoo! 10. You guys are awesome. Great job today, friends. Let me get in the camera so you can see Miss Robbins. Awesome job. Awesome job today doing some addition and subtraction, or we can say minus or take away, or we can say more or less. So good job. Awesome, awesome. I also realized I forgot to answer the question of the day for yesterday. Yesterday's question was, is there more than 10 or less than 10 balls? And I had cotton balls. And if you counted them, you should have counted 7. I'm going to put them in my hand so you can see. But there was 7 that was lined up in a row. Let's see. Let me put them on this cookie sheet where they were so that way you can see. I had 7 lined up, so we'll count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So is 7 more than 10 or less than 10? It is actually less than 10, yeah, because if we count up some more, we'll get to 10. We're at 7, and if we go 8, 9, 10, we need 3 more to make 10. So this is less than 10. Good job. I know some of it might be a little bit much, but you guys are doing awesome. You know how Miss Robbins is. She likes to give you more and not give you less because you guys are all smart and you are scholars, and I know you can do it, so I'm giving you a big thumbs up. So thanks for watching our math lesson today. Look out for our literacy lesson and check out our other videos that I've already posted for our class. See you on the next video.